What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Culver City. So obviously I'm at the Westfield Culver City. Gotta go check out one of the stores here. So, you know, might as well look around. Let's go see what they got. I think Shiekh had a few things releasing today, but I think I'm late to that because it's already what, 1 o'clock, 1:30 or something. So I'm late to that, but I also wanted to check out, I want to check out one of the apparel shops. So yeah, let's go look around. Oh, okay. So I thought they had stuff releasing, but they got the raffles open for that stuff, and the raffles, and then they also got these as well. This is grade school, right? Oh, I forgot these released today. Did I say grade school? These are women's. What am I talking about? I do got these. Okay. Not too shabby. These are high. Does have that right there. Chic downtown. Had a huge event for these today. Not bad. What, 170? We know how the Jordan sections have been lately. Been plentiful, and I don't think much has changed here, to be honest. I saw something in the grade school I gotta show you guys, but do got these bad boys. Only a size 13 though. I just saw someone ask if they had the smaller ones. I'm like, where were you fools? Like, they weren't that hard to get when they first came out. But yeah, do got Visionaires. Got a pair of the ones, or a few of the ones. You got the Comforts right here for 140. Got mids. Got these 6s too. Okay. Their Jordan apparel been super dope. Hope you guys are paying attention to my channel, because man, I showed these. East Bay had these for what, $20 freaking dollars. Those are normally 60. Super dope. Even 60, not bad, but 20, freaking almost free. So I did talk about that in my dunk video. So I hope you guys are catching all my videos, man, because we talk about deals all the time. I bought the hoodie with that Jordan logo on it. I bought that, what, 25 bucks, something like that. But got tons and tons of apparel here. Then got grade school. And then we need to talk about this right here. I even asked one of the workers. I was like, what the hell are these? And I told you guys they got a crazy restock last week or something. But yeah, they got these. What the hell? The grade school version of the Ferrari 14s. These are insane. When they first came out, man, I just was not a fan of the leather. The leather is hella soft, hella soft, but because it's so freaking soft, yeah, I saw a lot of them that were damaged already, like right out the box. This one has some discoloration or something, but to be able to get these for retail, these were going for a crazy amount. Wow, that's insane. Got a bunch of Jordan for kids. Bunch for kids. Not even exaggerating, man. These, what, I don't know, 125. I don't remember. They don't have the price tags on it. Usually they do. We got lows, mids, 9 particle grays right here for the grade school. These are, what are these going for grade school? 140 for grade school. Got these are a women's pair right here. Got 6s, 12s, multiple 12s, and legacy 312s too. Dang. So I think that's the craziest find so far. That's kind of insane. I think that might be the thumbnail right there with my hand right there, maybe. Okay. All right, let's go check out some other shops, man. I'm kind of on a time budget today, but yeah, let's look around. These fools had their semi-annual clearance there forever. Yeah, I need to come back, see if they have anything similar to that, or if the sale's over. I have to check. So, all right, let's go check out these. They still do got their buy one get one 50% off. This is fire. One of my favorite jerseys. That's not a Lakers. This is just ridiculous. I so would wear that just because I'm a Shaq fan. But yeah, it's just $135. This is the Swingman version. Still got, oh, they got a Fisher one? I've never seen a Fisher one. Did not see that one. Oh, they got a bunch of Fisher ones. I've never seen these. Maybe this is a part of their new stuff. Got the Rodman, Eddie Jones right there, Worthy. Oh, they don't even have their clearance rack anymore. Dang it. Okay, Johnson's, $135. Damn, I came here to check out to see if they had a clearance section. They don't even have it anymore. No extra signs right there, no additional sales. So, dang, dude, it is over. $98 for this stuff. No additional sales. Damn, I thought they would sell way more. Apparently not. All right, all just sale price, not clearance sale price anymore. Yeah, these were down to 60. Are they 60 or 40? No, these were down to 40, I think. Yep. These are down to $68. Damn, all their sales are done. Still slight sale, $83 normally, $110, right? For the LeBron jersey. Oh, Steve Nash. Most of these are all, what, $98 pretty much? Which is still a slight sale, but just not what I'm trying to pay. Yeah, still 98. This is where I got my jersey. My what's it called jersey? What jersey did I get? This is 71 for a Breeze jersey. That's pretty dope. But yeah, I got my Garnett jersey here for a freaking $32 or something crazy. But yeah, Lakers starter jacket going for $146. I did talk to one of the workers here. He said they had tons of stuff in the back. So, damn, I should have come here more often when they had the sale. I did come here twice though. $41 for these. It's like a dry fit Nike shirt. All right, they do have a 6 selection. Durant jersey 30% off. Okay. All right, let's go check out some more spots. Their sales gone, but still got dope stuff. But their crazy sales gone. Still got a bunch of hats for what, $20? But yeah, not the deal I'm looking for. All right, let's go. Dang, I was hoping to find some steals. Not quite yet. All right, let's go see them deals at JD. The finds at Shiekh was kind of crazy. Told y'all you guys always have to check the front counter. Not today though, not today. Because there's really not much there. Didn't do they? Oh, the Jordans are front. All right, let's go see. Still got these bad boys for $45, $35 off. The Series ES. The mids also on sale. Got some Vans next to it. Okay, the skate highs, right? Yeah. I really hope you guys watched my dunk video because they had these on sale for under $100 on the East Bay website when I showed them. But I think we're gonna start seeing sales like more and more because yeah, stuff's not flying off the shelves as quick. Do you got forums? Forums not too bad. I'm more a fan of these lows with some better material, but these ain't bad. Black and white, you can't go wrong with forums that are black and white. Jordan 1 highs? Dang, they got the men's version right here. This is what, the bleached coral? Is that what? I don't know why it's called bleached coral, but oh, is this grade school? 6.5, 5.5. Okay, these are grade school. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. I just don't like that cracked leather in the front, but these ain't bad, yo. These ain't bad. What's the retail on these? 1.7. Wait, they have to have the men's. That's the men's. Yeah, these are like 140, right? 140, 150 or something. Dude got mids right there. More mids. Dude got the Trae Youngs on sale, $30 off, and then these is $50 off. I might have to grab a pair just because they're Trey Lance's first shoe, dude. They're Trey Lance's first sneaker. I do like to try to get one of every player, especially their first shoes. But yeah, Kyrie's going down. I like it. Then the LeBrons, seen those on sale too. Fire. Then they got the latest Mitchell and Ness stuff right here. Got Spreewell. Oh no, this is the Ewing. My bad. Spreewell. Spreewell's 8. But then yeah, I got these already on sale. Really? Got the Shaq one already on sale. $150 down to 90. That's freaking fire. And then remember, if you guys do shop here, you guys can use your points, get coupons. The status points, you guys can use those. Get like, I think it's like 4,000 for $20. So you can get those for $70. That's what's up right there. And they're very liberal on that. Like, there aren't too many restrictions and stuff. Do got the latest women's Mitchell and Ness jerseys right here. Is this women's or is this kids? Because this looks like a kids one. Do got Pippen right there, and then we got Magic. We got the Magic jersey right here. The women's ones are tapered, so a lot of women with curves like those instead of the kids ones, because the kids ones go straight down. It's fire. These are fire, dude. No complaints with these. These are $100. So the women's, they do use less material, so a little bit cheaper. That's what's up. All right, let's go check out the next spot. I think we got one more. Yeah, no, let's go do one more spot because I have somewhere else to go to. Got a fake ice skating rink, or a fake pool? Is that what it is? Kids going crazy here. I'm just walking right through all the pools. We gotta go. All right, got a couple minutes for this Footlocker right here, and then we gotta go. Section de Jordans right here, gone. No Jordans here. LeBrons, dude got a ton of LeBrons. Okay, just one of them on sale. That's surprising. At the other spot, all of them were on sale. At Melrose, they had all of them on sale. Melrose. Okay, okay. Kyrie's right here. I saw the sales rack. I was like, what? Are these on sale? No, they're not. They're not. I so want these on sale because I'm too poor to pay retail on them. These are the Pro Standards. Oh, these are huge too. Double XL. These go for what? $80, I believe. $100. But they are fire. Fire. All the emblems on it. Super, super dope. These T-shirts are on sale. Normally 50 down to 30. It is an XL. These are fire, dude. But yeah, $30. $30. Dude got certain things on sale. Zion sweatshirts, normally $80, so 50% off of that. Okay. Okay, of course got Clipper jerseys. That's a kid's one though. Not really seeing too much. Got these Nike hoodies right here, go for $110. That's about it though. Did see a bunch of this stuff on sale. Yeah, we saw it for $80, and then we saw another 35% off on top of that on the eBay website. So I really hope you guys saw my Dunks video, because I did talk about online sales. And yeah, they're okay. Got some sales here, but nothing too crazy. Seeing more and more of these mellows. That's pretty fire. $120 for these, right? Not too bad. And then got more Dunks too. Got more Dunks. Not bad. Not bad. I think these are all grade score right here, and then more of the mellows. All right, let's wrap it up. Wrap it up. Wait, came back to Shiekh? Wait, hold up. They got these two now? They got these two? Okay. I think they just released some other sneakers, some Jordan 1 Shadows. Okay. Dang, dude. Coming up on stuff here. Dang, missed out on the restock, but it's all good. It happens. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that was Culver City, or Westfield Culver City. And yeah, man, they had some fun stuff. They had some dope stuff. The primary purpose of me going out there was to check out the lids, the locker room by lids, because I did grab one of these jerseys for hella cheap a while back. And I wanted to see if they still had their semi-annual clearance sale. I did. Like, I heard it was like the last weekend, the past weekend, but I just wanted to check. And yeah, their semi-annual clearance sale is done. They had crazy deals. I hope you guys watch my videos. If you guys watch my videos, I had like 4 or 5 videos of them having crazy steals, especially jerseys and stuff like that. I figured I'd check, but it is what it is. The Shiekh, that Shiekh has been insane. They had them Jordan 14s, the, what do they call it? The yellow Ferraris, I think they was calling it. But yeah, they had those bad boys. I think Jordan brand calls it University Gold, I believe. But yeah, they had the grade school version of those. Those were insane. Those are crazy. I remember when those came out, they didn't sell out super fast. But now it seems like a lot more people want them. Leather is crazy insane, not durable at all, because the leather is so freaking soft. I remember when I did see them, like, I saw a bunch of damaged pairs like on display when I did see them, what, 2 years ago or something like that, 3 years ago. But yeah, pretty dope find. They did get a restock of these. I was not able to get one. I have a few of these, but yeah, I was not able to get one because it happened, the restock happened from in between when I went to another store and came back. So you know, it is what it is. I probably wouldn't have got one, to be honest, because I don't really need more stuff right now, but it would have been dope to show y'all on video. But it is what it is. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like, can't win all the time, but yeah, it was cool that I saw, or I heard about it. I happened to be there. I had a chance, but you know, just a couple minutes late. That does happen. I've had that happen at that mall a few times, at that Footlocker, that JD Sports, that Shiekh. That's kind of why I like that mall, because most of the stores there are pretty legit, and they try to get things out to customers. They'll do random releases at all the different stores. and they try to pick random times, not necessarily right when they open. You know, so most of us do have a chance, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hope you guys are watching each and one of my videos, or each and every one of my videos, because like I said, that bait one, that bait store visit, like, that was crazy. A lot of people did hit me up. A couple people hit me up and said they were able to go there and grab a bunch of stuff. The resellers moved quick, so y'all need to be quick, man. Y'all need to be quick. So yeah, hope this information is useful. Hope the video was pretty enjoyable. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Man, I just can't thank y'all enough for making it to the end of each video. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. And yeah, should have videos every day. Should have plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.